Let's directly go to the screen. We will search in Google investor gain. See, investorgain.com. So click here. This is the website, guys. Simply click on the GMP section on above. So scroll down, guys. See, yeah. So all these are listed, guys. The Nivel hybrid seeds 0. Okay, 0% listing gain, guys. This even listed in negative. This got 15%, 11% listing gains. So as of now, I applied in Tencent, but I get zero allotment in all of my accounts. So don't worry, guys. We have this IPO also, and I have applied. See, C means closed. Okay, C means closed. C means closed, and allotted also mentioned here. These all are already listed, and the listing gain is also visible. These are the GMP. Tencent 100%. Argument Enterprise 40%, High-Tech Engineer 75% GMP is going on. So Skyways Air 21% GMP, Symbiotic Pharma Lab is 34% GMP. What you have to do, simply open any, suppose this one only. Symbiotic Pharma have good finance. So click on the details. Yeah. So we will check this, guys. Some details will be like issue size and the fresh issue. Mostly it is for offers for sale. This is a red sign, guys. This is not good. They are not going to utilize this amount to do something new, buy machinery or something. This will go to the investors who are already a part of promoter. They are going to sell their shares to us, and they are leaving the company, like, okay, they are booking the profit. So the registrar is Mufji in time. Let's go below, let's check. So the IPO opens on 24th, IPO closes on 27th, allotment will be on 28th August. So apply before 27th August 5 p.m. Okay, not only applying, you have to accept the mandate within 5 p.m. Okay, and yes, even after 3 p.m. 3:30 p.m. the application you can apply for the IPO. So the refund you will get on 31st August, and it will be credited if allotted on 31st August, and the listing will be done on 1st September 2026. So these are the subscription figures: QIB, NII, big and small NII. This is the retail category U for 15,000, and there is the employee quota, and that's how it got here. Overall it is only 5 times oversubscribed, but for retail section it is 4 times, and it is 2:50 p.m. only, and it is the second day. IPO opens for the 3 days, and it will you can apply within 3 days. Okay, then the IPO will be closed. New application will be allowed. For retail category you just need 14,820 rupees. For other category you can see, don't apply for maximum thing, guys. 1,92,660. Don't apply for more than one lot if you are in if the IPO is oversubscribed. Okay, always apply for only one. Utilize your funds efficiently. Okay, so you can read this, guys, about the company, what it do. Okay, it is a pharmaceutical and biotechnological company strength and all, everything you will get in RHP, DRHP, but you don't get allotment. Why you will invest more time, guys? As a retail investor, just simply you can read it, or simply go to the finance detail. What I usually do, I just simply check this section. What the company is earning, what is the total income, assets, see, borrowing data and reserves and surplus. So this company have little borrow, he have lot of surplus, and the company is also earning great. Okay, that's why the GMP is good. Okay, but in that airline company, see, this airline company, if you go, click on the details, scroll down, see, the company is earning 34, 48, 63 crores only. So all the amounts are in crore. Okay, so it have the borrowing 357, 500, 600, but the earning are 63 only. Okay, and they are not even having any surplus amount. Okay, but it have the growth potential. It is a airline company. They will have the higher borrowing always. Okay, so you can see ROC is only 18%. And one more what we have, guys, this high tech engineer is a small company, I checked, but at least they are better. What guys, the issue objective you can check in every IPO. They will say, they will declare that where our amount they have taken using the IPO will be utilized. Like they are saying, equipment for expansion at this unit and this unit. Okay, this can be the location where they will buy some machines. Okay, so this is 30 crores only, and this is 16 crores, and for general corporate purpose it is not mentioned. Okay, so see, the company is earning 12 crore, 20 crore, 22 crore, and the surplus is also okay, 80, 60, 80, and the borrowing is very low. So the company GMP is that's why it's high. Okay, so the ROC is 24%. Promoter holding, you can see after the IPO it will be just 71%, and it's less than 75%. It's okay, it's not wrong. You can check in retail category, it is oversubscribed by 58 times. This is too much. And they are just asking for the 135 crores. Okay, so fresh issue is just 60 crores and offer for sale is 75. It's okay. Half of the money, more than half of the money is going to be sold by the promoters. So we have checked all three IPOs, guys. Now you can select whatever this data you liked and you want to apply. The GMP is great, then you can apply. For this allotment, it is allotted and we didn't got any allotment. For this we are waiting, and for this it is will be closed on tomorrow, so please apply. For SME IPOs, guys, it is same. You can apply if you have the funds. When you open this, you have to check the finance detail, whatever is there, and if you like, then you can also apply. And it will be about 2 to 3 lakhs. Okay, for 2 lots you have to apply minimum. You are called as individual investor, not a retail investor. Okay, you are applying more than one lot. Now you are not retailers, now you are individual. Okay, and if you apply for more than 2 lots, you will automatically become small HNI. Okay, so let's go further. And guys, for SME IPO to apply for the 2 lots, you have to make sure you have at least 3 lakhs. Okay, all the IPOs will be around this only, 2.5, 2.2, 2.8, 2.9 or 3 lakhs as well. Okay, so you can read about the company where the amount will be utilized. The finance detail is important, guys. The assets have grown from 90 to 122, then 159. And profit they are earning 111, then 12. It's great. March, 24, 25, 26. So 3 years data is given. Income also rise from 108 to 171, 194. Yeah, income is increasing. 823, 25 beta is also increased little bit. So reserves also increasing, and total borrowing is 57, 67, 73. Borrowing is little high, and reserves are, they have only 30. You can check the details what they are doing, competitors, margin, and other details. Okay, so SME IPO is more risky than main board IPO, guys. If you do it randomly and the market is not that great,